Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am doing a project pan, a rolling project pan. Pan, not panda. I can't talk. Anyway, I picked 10 products from my collection that I think I can get through and slowly start working things in. I need to start using stuff. Okay, let's get started. I do have little clips of me putting these products on, minus these two items. So I will show you these two items. They are perfumes. First is the Brazilian Crush from Sol de Janeiro. It's the body mist. And it is right at that dotted line. And I swear I just bought this. It smells delicious. Anyway, there's that one. And then I have this one. So from Coffee Break with Danny, she recommended this. She recommended this and I ran out to go see if we had it here in Canada, and we did. It's the Pistachio Brulee perfume, 1 fluid ounce from Urban Outfitters, and it costs $20, but there's barely any left. I don't know if you can tell. It's like that much. So this smells amazing. As I just like layer. I like these two layered, actually. That's probably why they're gone. Mostly gone. Those are my first two items. Now, the Mediflower Collagen Wrinkle Eye Cream. I've had this for a long time. It is a very large bottle. But I want to get it used up and start on something new. I think I have about this much left. The next item is the Ordinary Alpha Abrutrin, 2% HA. It's a concentrated serum with 2% purified alpha whatever and hyaluronic acid. So I have this much left of the bottle. I think I can use it. Next is the primer I want to get use of. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. This is just a deluxe size sample. I still think I have quite a bit, about that much left. Not that much of it left, I don't think, but I'm pretty sure I can use it up. Next is the foundation I want to use up. This is a Lancome Regenerifique Lift Makeup Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 20. Lifting Anti-Wrinkle Radiance Normal to Dry Skin. This is what I'm wearing today. As I do like this foundation, but I've had it for a while and I would just like to use it up. Next is this eyebrow pencil. This is from MAC and it is in Spiked. I have no idea how much I have left of this, but it is a great eyebrow pencil. I really do enjoy it. It's very creamy, and it just looks so nice on. So, but I've had it for a while, and I think I need to use it up, so there's that. Next is this powder from the Wet n Wild Contour Palette in Leche or something like that. Anyway, I've hit major pan on the palette, but I would just like to take this and finish it up. And maybe hit pan on the bronzer. But I do have this bronzer in my project pan. This is the Butter Bronzer in Light Bronze. I haven't even hit pan on this, and I use this all the time. So I feel like this one's going to be difficult. It's so soft, you think I would have already hit pan, but I'm really going to work on it this time. Okay. And lastly is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir Smoothing Glowing Complex Face Spray. There's just barely anything left in this bottle, but I will use that up. Those are my 10 items. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So I will be doing a check-in. I'm going to take all of this with me when I go back to Chilliwack again in just a few days. And hopefully I can get some good use of all these products. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Thank you.